A 3-meter great white shark goes missing off the coast of Australia. 4 months later, the tag, or black box, is found by scientists. What this tag revealed is unbelievable. Find out right now, right here on the Science Fair.
E=mc². That is the engine that lights up the stars. Energy turns into mass. E=mc². That is the secret of the stars. That is the secret of the stars. Now listen carefully.
Hello everybody and welcome to the Science Fair. I'm your host, Evan Choquette. Today we are talking about a female shark that was 3 meters long that just disappeared. Those of you who don't know what a meter is equal to feet, 1 meter equals 3.28 feet. 3 meters equals 9 feet. So this shark was almost 10 feet long. What would attack a 10-foot long shark? Now, for those of you who don't know, our land mass on Earth is 100% mapped out. The moon, we have mapped out 100%. Our own oceans, we've only mapped out 3%. 3%. And I believe that that's because humankind has always feared what we cannot see, which is also very fascinating. Now, back to the shark. Filmmaker Dave Riggs, 11 years ago, went on a trip with scientists off the coast of Australia. While on this trip, they were tagging sharks and trying to follow their migration pattern. You know, we don't know much about sharks, and we want to know more about how they reproduce, where they reproduce, why they migrate where they do. And Australia is home to many strange creatures. Now, great white sharks aren't the only thing that migrate to Australia. We're talking great whites, killer whales, giant squids they have found. These things exist. Maybe it was a kraken. We don't necessarily know. 4 months after the shark was tagged, the black box or tag washed up on the shore, and a local picked it up and gave it to scientists, who opened it up and found out after shark alpha, more like beta, due to the fact that it was eaten and killed, most likely, left the scene calmly, very confident that she would survive in this world. Shortly after, the tag underwent a dramatic climate change from 48 degrees Fahrenheit to 78 degrees Fahrenheit, which, coincidentally, 78 degrees Fahrenheit is the degrees in which most sharks' stomachs sit at. So something out there took a bite out of shark alpha and got the tag inside of it that something did bite into the shark. Did it eat the whole thing? Maybe, maybe not. But it took enough of a chunk out to get the tag. What the tag revealed next is that it underwent a dramatic change in depth. It went, after biting into shark alpha, it dropped 580 meters. Now, if you want, we can do some quick math that I already did for you. So, 1 meter equals 3 feet, and we want to find 580 meters over x, cross-multiply and solve for x. 1,902 feet. Something dropped down into the depths of the ocean. The 1,902 feet is larger than the Empire State Building. Approximately 1.5 of the Empire State Building. Underwater, just dropped. The tag remained at 78 degrees for 8 days before floating to the surface and getting to land. So, something did eat shark alpha, but maybe only took a chunk out with the tag and then left it for other predators? I don't know. You don't know. But there has been more research done, and it will be out soon. What I can say is that there is a few hypotheses. The hypothesis is that throughout, when they were tagging these sharks, you had migrating great white sharks, so you did have a lot of great whites in the same area. But what scientists believe is that there was a cannibal shark. Something that would be massive. Talking over 5 meters. So 16-foot long great white shark weighing over 2 tons. That is a huge shark. But it could easily eat shark alpha. But was the bigger shark being a bully? Or was there a reason? Now, there's only a few reasons why this would happen. If a great white shark did it, killer whales could have done this. But killer whales like to play with their food, we know that for a fact, and I don't really know any killer whales that would really want to tango with a great white shark. Could have been a giant squid, but why would a giant squid come up from the depths of the ocean to attack another predator, which could probably put up a decent fight? To my belief, I don't think it was anything but a bigger shark. Why would a bigger shark attack shark alpha? Maybe it was territorial. Possible, not 100%. Due to the fact that these sharks are migrating, anyone can run into each other. 2, could have been hunger. Is there a shortage of food for these sharks? And another shark just saw shark alpha and was like, that looks tasty, I'm hungry, I haven't had food, I'm going to eat you. Or is it the classic big fish eat little fish? Because that's how the food chain works. Fittest will survive. And if I was a 16-foot, 2-ton shark, I would totally eat shark alpha. 9 feet long, a full meal. So you can find out more information by clicking the link in the left-hand corner, which will bring you to the short video on the documentary that's coming up on the Smithsonian channel. And I will post their website with the link right down here so that you can go to their website and read a little bit more about what happened to shark alpha. Also, on the Smithsonian channel, Wednesday, June 26th at 8 p.m. and 11 p.m., I believe it's called The Hunt for a Larger Predator or something like that. And it also airs on Thursday, June 26th at 4 p.m. Now, this documentary will give you a lot more information and possibly proof of what actually ate shark alpha. I do believe that it was a bigger shark. I don't think there's a kraken or something that actually ate it. But we never know. What happened to shark alpha? Find out soon. Hey, do me a favor, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. The link is right here. I want you to click on that. Go to my channel, click on subscribe. I will be releasing more videos on science today and science in the past. Things that we can talk about, discuss, and a way for you guys to learn. Thank you for watching.